Soapbox Packaging Design Part 2 using Coreldraw 2020. So we are back, guys, with our Soapbox Packaging Design Part 2 using Coreldraw 2020. So ito yung ginawa natin on our previous video kung paano paggawa ng die cut ng soapbox. Right? So ngayon naman, ang gagawin natin is to design and lay out the flat lay of the soapbox. So sige, simulan muna natin dito. We have the content here. I already prepare it. Okay. Sorry, na doble. Okay. So we can use this one for the content, no? Okay. So ang brand name natin is si Natural Option. Alright, so we can just copy paste it here. Use the font probably Railway, and then lagyan natin siya ng distance apart, probably 100. Okay, and then the size would be 8, I think is enough. Yeah, okay. And then see Kojic soap, yun yung gagawin nating soap bar. Kojic soap. Okay. Copy and paste it. Select the text tool and then paste it. Railway again. Yeah. Pili naman natin yung medyo mas slim. Railway. Extra thin, extra light. Yeah, extra thin. Yan. Para mas or masyado siyang manipis. Wait lang. Light, I guess. Yeah. Alright. So, ganun din. Lagyan natin siya ng distance apart of 50% or sige, 100. Lagyan natin sa second line. And then, center. Alright. Okay. Then lagay natin si skin whitening soap bar. Alright, just copy paste this since naka-center naman na siya. Okay, select all and then paste. Alright. Medyo mas maganda kung may spacing pa siya. 110. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Masyado siyang manipis. Medium natin. As well as this. Medium. Okay. And then, we're gonna do the tone here, or probably some kind of an element, maybe a color or a shade. Let's try to do this, but before we go on that, you need, by the way, you need to put a bleeding all around this box. Okay, so by doing that, you have to select this one, the smart fill, and then select any color you wanted to. Just fill all the white portion of the box inside. Okay, and then grab all the colors by selecting by holding your shift, or just go to your objects that's under Windows, Dockers, objects there. Okay, hold shift and then select the bottom. Okay, So, naselect na natin yung layer ng mga naka-orange fill. And then, just click this one. This one is wheeled, no? Para mawala yung lines inside. Okay? What we're gonna do is to put a contour on it. Contour means parang it's creating inside or outside the area of the line. So, ang gagawin natin is 3 millimeter. No? That's the standard way doing it for paggagawa kayo ng bleeding. Yung iba 2, pero medyo sensitive kasi yung 2. In some case, ang nangyayari, yung design napuputol na siya pagdating sa blade pag hindi maganda yung machine. No? Pero just to be safe, gawin nyo ng 3 para pag may konting movement, safe pa rin yung design nyo, yung graphics. Okay, just right click on this and then choose the break contour apart. Okay, ibig sabihin nun hiwalay na yung pattern natin yung una dun sa contour. Okay, just simply delete it and that's it. You already have your contour outside with a 3 millimeters distance dun sa subject or dun sa die cut natin. So, just gonna remove the color. Okay. And yeah, so let's play with the design. Could probably a line, color, border, or maybe a diagonal or slanted like this, no? Okay. And then yeah, gawa rin tayo dito sa kabila. Okay. Alright. So, let's try to choose color since Kojic siya. Kojic is orange, no? So, let's choose orange. Okay. Okay. And then, gawa tayo ng variance color ng orange. A lighter color, just double click this one. This is your fill. And then color viewers. And then baba natin siya ng tone, probably this one, right? Okay. So on the other shape, yeah, sige, gamitin din natin. And then we're gonna decrease the color again to a lighter version of that. Yan. Okay. All we have to do is just remove the outline and then group it by pressing control, hold control, and then G. That's group. Okay. And then next is you have to put this inside your contour. So how to do that? Select this group shapes, right click, and then power clip inside this. Kasi pag dito, dun siya sa loob nun. Okay. So you have to put the power clip inside on our contour line. So, yun siya, na-fill up na siya hanggang dito. So, yun yung sinasabi kong bleeding. Dito, ika-cut yung paper or yung board para ito, tapo na siya. So, kung wala kayong bleeding, eksakto dyan yung design nyo. Kapag yung blade nila lumagpas ng konti, lumihis ng konti, makikita may white. Alright? So, yan yung parang allowance. Okay. Ito, it doesn't matter. But if you wanted to edit that, just simply click this one. Lalabas yung tool sa taas and then click edit. Ungroup it. Yan. Okay. So, now we have the basic look of that. Okay. Balik natin siya dito. Midpoint. Drag it down a bit. Okay. Okay. So, yeah. Lagyan natin ng ano dito. Okay. Ready ko na rin siya. Okay. Paste it. Pwedeng dyan or pwedeng mag-overlap siya dun sa design. It's up to you. If you want to overlap that on your design, you can use this, and then let's see. Okay, pwede nyo siyang ilagay sa loob. Yan. Okay, so we have some very pale color, no? It looks classy, minimalist looking design. Alright, so again, yeah, sige. Palitan natin tong E na to. Ano ba yung E na yun? That, that E represent the estimated symbol. That's actually a European symbol na ginagamit usually sa mga perfume, gano'n, nakikita nyo yan. Sige. Okay. Alright, lagyan natin siya dito. Taas natin ng konti. Okay. So we have that. Parang masyado siyang malaki. Yan. Okay, see, natural option brand, we can put it on your left panel and then right panel. So sa right panel, lagay natin dito. Okay, on the center, just copy, hit your plus sign on your keyboard, drag it, so you have the duplicate. Sa back content, sige, lagyan natin siya. Let's just copy paste this one, dummy text, para lang meron tayong content. So by doing the paragraph, all you have to do is select the text tool. Instead of clicking like this, you have to drag it. Okay, click, hold, and drag there, and then release. Now you can just copy paste the content. So medyo malaki siya. Arial is enough. We could probably use the 5.5. Okay, so as you have noticed, no, yung border niya is red. So meaning meron siyang additional content dun sa bottom. So all you have to do, this arrow symbol, you have to drag it down. Okay. Kapag nag-black na siya, meaning okay na siya. So drag it like that, and then justify natin siya sa full. Alright, now gonna, ano pa ba? Okay, this one. So ito si brand name, and then yung address or exclusively distributed by, mga ganon, common na nakikita natin sa mga soap boxes. Okay, so okay mga ganitong design for the direct selling companies, multi-level marketing companies, like that. Gawin nating bold. Yan. And then ano pa ba? Yeah, yung ating top closure dapat meron ding, wait a minute, ba't nawala yung ating, okay, si top closure meron din siya dapat brand. Okay, and then yeah, si barcode, we can just use the barcode here. Ang standard size niyan is that should be a 30 millimeter. Okay. And then make sure na nakalock to, no? Kasi kapag hindi nakalock, what will happen is compress siya on horizontal. Now, we need to lock this para pati yung baba magbabago yung height. Okay. So, just play around with it. You can probably put it here. Or if it doesn't, good. Yeah, dito na lang kasi since vertical naman yung layout natin, you can just use the bottom part of it and wala naman siya nakalagay dun. Okay. So, yan. I think this is it, no? The design for the soapbox part 2. So, yun guys. Kung nakatulong sa inyo yung video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell icon para updated kayo sa mga susunod pa nating video. So, till I see you for the soapbox packaging design part 3 using Coreldraw 2020.